The SAT, the test that can make or break your college dreams. But have you ever noticed that everyone approached it completely differently? Some people treat it like a battle, others like a puzzle, and some, well, they barely care. And in the next 10 minutes, we're gonna break down every type of SAT test taker. Number one, the strategist, the one who is playing 4D chess. This person isn't just studying. They've got spreadsheets, score trackers, and probably a custom-made study plan that breaks down exactly how many points they need to gain per section on the SAT. They don't just take practice tests. What they do is that they analyze them. Every wrong answer is a lesson for them. Every mistake is a step closer to perfection. Their biggest flex? They can predict the SAT's tricks before the SAT even tries them. But their downfall? If something unexpected happens on test day, like a weirdly worded question or a last-minute rule, then it might throw them off their entire game plan. Number two, the memorizer, the human flash drive. This person believes in one thing: brute force learning. 1,000 vocab words memorized. Every math formula ever burned into their brain. But here's the problem. The SAT isn't a memory test, it's a thinking test. And the second a question doesn't look exactly like the ones they've drilled, panic. Pure, unfiltered panic. If the SAT plays nice and sticks to those familiar patterns, they're golden. If not, RIP. Number three, the last-minute crammer. Oh, you know this guy, probably because you are this guy. Month of SAT prep? Nah, they will start studying a week before the test. Actually, scratch that. 2 days before, the night before, they are on their third cup of coffee, watching so many SAT strategy videos, trying to absorb every single page of a 200-page book. Will it work? Sometimes. Will it always work? Absolutely not. But if they somehow pull a decent score out of this chaos, legendary. Number four, the overthinker. The one who fights their own brain. They know the material and they know the answer, but do they trust themselves? Nope. They will pick an answer, stare at it, change it again, then they go back to the first one, only to realize later they had it right in the first time. And the biggest challenge? Beating their own self-doubt. Because let's be real, the SAT isn't just testing knowledge, it's testing how well you can handle pressure. And number five, the I don't care test taker, the ultimate wild card. This person is here against their will. No studying, no prep. They might not have even brought a calculator. The entire SAT strategy, well, guess C when in doubt. Bubble in random answers to finish really early. Take a nap. But here's the crazy part. Sometimes they do better than they expect. The SAT is weird like that. Luck is a real thing, but relying on luck? Not the best strategy. Number six, the natural genius. The one everyone secretly hates. You ever meet someone who just gets it? No stress, no prep, they skim a couple of practice questions the night before, show up, and walk out with a 1550 plus like it was nothing. Do they deserve it? Maybe. Do we envy them? Absolutely. The thing is, even these people could get a perfect score if they studied, but why bother when they're already winning the game without trying? And number seven, the ancient test taker, the one who hears pencils down and panics. For them, the SAT isn't just a test, it's a horror movie. Their hands shake. Questions they knew perfectly yesterday suddenly look like they're written in another language. It's not about what they know. It's about how they feel in the moment. And if they let stress to get to them, it's game over. But the ones who learn to control their nerves, they turn anxiety into fuel. And that's when things get dangerous. Number 8, the trial and error test taker. The one who is in it for the long game. Some people take the SAT once and call it a day. Not this person though. They treat it like a science experiment. Test number 1, baseline score. Test number 2, slightly better. Test number 3, making progress. Test number 4, finally cracks the system. They don't give up, they adjust. And with every retake, they're getting closer to mastering the SAT once and for all. So which one are you? Let's be real, you probably saw yourself in at least one of these, maybe 2, maybe all of them. Drop a comment and tell me which one fits you. And if you're taking the SAT, you definitely need really powerful strategies to ace it. And in this video, I revealed them all, so make sure to watch it.